Hi, I'm back again. This is day 8, and today's been a really rough day. I know that some people say they don't have any pain and stuff, but I sure have. I woke up about 4 this morning and it was excruciating. Felt like somebody was choking my knee so bad that I thought I was going to die. I took a shower a little while ago, so my knee looks much better. You can see that some of the glue is starting to come off, and I have a couple little incisions there that are from the robotic pins that they place in when they're doing the surgery. But all in all, it looks pretty good. I'm pleased with the way it looks. It's not totally disgusting, but the glue is flaking off, and that's kind of nasty, as it looks like there's skin everywhere, where it comes off. But I just want to say that you need to make sure that you've got someone with you that can help you out on everything, manage those meds. My husband's been wonderful about that. Otherwise, I wouldn't know what I was supposed to take when. I've got these little cups, little silicone cups that have whatever pills I need to take next in them. That's my midnight dose right there. And I did sleep most of the day today because I was in such pain. I had to take a pain pill, and I've been trying not to take anything tonight, but I'm going to have something, and I don't know if I'll sleep or not tonight. Probably not, since I slept so much during the day. But it's like I keep second guessing myself. Should I have done this or not? But I know that my knee needed it, but I've also got vascular problems, and I think that's complicating it. I did have sock on earlier, and you could see huge gouges here where the sock was, and you can see right here, there's still a line there from the sock, and you can see where it's still dented in, and that's been an hour and a half ago. I'm going to talk to the PT tomorrow and possibly go over and talk to the nurse at the doctor's office, because they're right next to each other, and see if there's something else I need to do or not do, or I don't know, maybe I don't need therapy 3 times a week. Maybe I need it twice a week. I don't know, but I just know that when I have therapy, the next day is really bad. And I've been getting up and trying to walk around like I'm supposed to, and I can do that, but the the pain I have once it starts is really, really bad. And you need somebody to help you out. You need people that you can talk to on the phone or text, so that you can focus on something besides your knee. But that's what I have for tonight. And I feel like a new person because my hair is washed, and I have on clean pajamas, and my legs, this is probably gross, but I got to shave my legs and put lotion on them, and they feel so much better like that. They're not all itchy, nasty. But I will be back in another day or so, okay? Bye.